Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Tuesday. Today is July the 21st, man. We're almost out of July. We're out here in Chamblee. Tucker went out and did 3 consultations this morning. 2 went well. One, I don't think they're going to go through. But with that being said, this is a new client. I did come out here and do a paid in-home consultation last week, and we got them on the schedule for today. It's a 1 room and a hallway, and I'm also going to be testing my carpet cleaning skills. He just got 1 room of carpet, and he was like, Courtney, do you know one that cleans carpet? I said, man, just 1 room. I got a portable, and it's not too bad. I just do it while I'm here. He said, man, I appreciate that. So what we're going to be doing today, guys, let me show you what's going on. He pulled up the carpet and the rug, have a lot of that residue, the glue residue and backing from the rug. He said other companies told him because all the wood flows in, he would have to sand all the wood, but all the wood doesn't need to be sanded. So I came up with a great idea that I've done numerous times. Let me flip this around and show you what we got going. All right, guys, so we're in Chamblee, and this is what we're going to be doing. So you walk in, this is oh, well, so look right here, guys. See all this? See all that all over the floor? So what I'm going to do is use a certain abrasion pad to knock all this stuff off. Now the good thing is this wood stops, it has a lip right there. So we're going to go ahead and abrade all this off. Then I'm going to screen the floor, and then we're going to coat the floor. And what we're going to do, want to stop here. Because again, most companies, and I do understand, most companies would have said, no, if you sand that part, you got to sand all of this. You got to sand all of this. And you see there's nothing really wrong with the other rooms. You got to sand this room. Then come on down. And then you got the kitchen, which is also wood. So that would have been a huge project, man. Well, I ain't gonna say, I don't like to use the word expensive because it's basically irrelevant depending on how you look at it. But just for this 1 room, could have cost them a sanding for this, you know, for all of this right here as well. And then this is the 1 room. This is Berber carpet. So I just stopped at TCS, picked up some carpet cleaning supplies, and I'm going to just bring in the portable, and which I always keep on my truck for wax removals. And I'm going to spray these carpets down, pre-treat them, and extract them, and they're also going to come out good as well. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get this party started. Stay tuned.
Well now, round here, we don't tear up good floors. We bring them back to life. One day, that's all it takes. Screen it, recoat it, hit it with that UV boom. Furniture back, kids back, dogs back, business keeps moving. That's the Truman way, partner. No shortcuts, just smart work. One day in, one day out. Yeah, that's how we ride.
I'm UV curing this room. Floors came out great. As you can see, we got all that glue residue that was all over these floors. Any other company would have told him to sand these floors, and you see we did not have to sand these floors today. Floors look amazing. All right, that's going to do it. Tomorrow, no jobs, but I have 3 consultations that all came in today. Usually July is one of my busiest months, and I will say so far the first 2 weeks have been great. Right now we only have 1 more job later this week on Friday, but if anything, guys, that's fine. You know, not desperate for work, and sometimes these are the best times. It gives you opportunity to just relax, work in my business, which I do have a few things I'm doing this week. All right, go ahead and wrap this up. See you in the next one.